Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, Starbucks taps Polygon for its Starbucks Odyssey Web3 experience. So this is big news just coming in, and we want to have a discussion on it. We want to understand what's going on here. Now, of course, before we continue, allow me to declare this video is not financial advice in any way. It's strictly for educational purposes. So we're also going to go through a price analysis on Polygon Matic. I'll go through my own price analysis as well as some of the other price analysis I've seen around. I'll talk about the ecosystem. Apparently, Polygon is reaching up to 37,000 plus dApps that have chosen to scale on Polygon. So we want to understand what's going on here. Because it was only back in April, Polygon announced that they hit 19,000 dApps milestone. And that was a six-fold growth in half a year. So we want to understand what's going on. How is Polygon reaching these insane numbers? So first, let's start with the Starbucks news, of course. So apparently Starbucks Coffee Company is working with Polygon to provide the blockchain technology to build its recently announced Web3 experience, Starbucks Odyssey. Now, as a result of the partnership, this new Web3 powered experience will allow Starbucks reward loyalty program members and Starbucks partners employees in the United States to earn and purchase digital collectible stamps in forms of non-fungible tokens. This is one of the loyalty program experience that is powered by a low fee and high transaction speed on Polygon proof of stake network. Now, Web3 experience with a cause. Implementing Web3 technology will pave the way for Starbucks to engage with Starbucks Reward loyalty program members in exciting new ways. Customers and partners can join the waiting list for a chance to be the first to receive access to the Starbucks Odyssey experience, which will launch later this year. Exciting. So this is built with the long-term sustainability in mind. Polygon is committed to becoming a carbon negative by the end of the year and has already offset its network cumulative CO2 debt. Ethereum's change imminent transaction to proof of stake consensus mechanism will further reduce the carbon footprint of Polygon proof of stake by 99.91%. This is absolutely incredible stuff. I love to see it. There's also more information on the Ethereum merge, some of the most frequently asked questions and common misconceptions as well. So what is the Ethereum merge? Well, the Ethereum merge transition is how Ethereum's decentralized network achieves consensus from proof of work to proof of stake. The transition to proof of stake will make Ethereum more energy efficient, more secure, and lays off groundwork for future upgrades like sharding. Does the merge affect Polygon? Using Polygon proof of stake, the merge will have no effect on Polygon smart contracts already deployed on Ethereum. Polygon Bridge, there are no modifications to the Polygon Bridge after the merge, but deposits and withdrawals time will be no longer a consensus of Ethereum's extended time to the network finality. In terms of speed, proof of stake will not increase transaction speed. And in terms of security, the merge will improve Ethereum's security against coordinated attacks. And for cost, the merge will not increase network capacity. It will only change the consensus, so it will not result in lower gas fees. So I wanted to get that out the way really quickly so that everyone can understand. So now that you understand what's going on with the Ethereum merge, and now that you understand what's going on with the Polygon/Starbucks partnership, we can get into some price prediction from 2025 to 2030. How sure can Matic be at $25 in 2030? I think the reason why the time frame is so far out, we're only in 2022, we're not even close to 2030 yet, is because Polygon will be around for a very long time. That's obvious. It's one of the networks, it's one of the blockchains that's going to outlive a lot of other blockchains. It's one of the more important blockchains out there. So it's natural to be looking further out in the future. Now here's what we must understand. The price right now is 92 cents per Polygon coin. The market cap sits above 8 billion. That's quite good. This is with over $500 million in trading volume in the last 24 hours. That's a 63% increase in trading volumes. Additionally, this is with over 142 million unique users addresses and 5 billion in assets secured. Polygon proof of stake has processed more than $1.6 billion in transaction till this date. This 37k plus dApps proves that Polygon just continues to grow. They just continue to be prosperous. They're not looking to slow down anytime soon, and that's fantastic for us. And more importantly, they want more people to invest in their ecosystem. They want to develop more apps. They want more people to choose Polygon. and a lot of people are already choosing Polygon. But with time, we can only expect this demand will grow. Now, me personally, considering that Polygon is at this price above 90 cents, at the moment, we're probably looking at Polygon reaching anywhere from $1.50 to $2 before the end of the year. That's doubling in market cap, by the way. That's either a 50% increase or 60%. It is possible. We've seen crazier things being done. If you don't believe me, like I said, Polygon right now is 93 cents per coin. 3 months ago, the price of Polygon was just around 33 cents per coin. It's almost tripled its value in the space of 3 months. It's almost tripled its value from 33 cents, around 33 cents actually. And let's note as well, in August the 14th, Polygon was at $1 flat per coin. The price almost tripled. In fact, it did tripled in the space of 3 months. Less than 3 months actually. I'd say 2 months, 2.5 months. So if that's possible, why is it not possible if the price doubled from here before the end of the year? That gives us more than 3 months. That gives us 3 months and a half, in fact. So what I'm saying isn't that crazy after all. I hope you understand this. If you don't understand what I just said, let me know. Let's have a discussion in the comments. And perhaps this growing ecosystem had something to do with the price being grown in the last 3 months. Perhaps people started to realize that, whoa, this is majorly undervalued and they need to invest as soon as possible. Not to mention, in the last year, Polygon has been as high as $2.87. That's without a question. That means that the market cap at that point was well above 24 billion. Yeah, keep that in mind. Now, as this ecosystem grows, does it stand any chance of being at $25? $25 by 2025 or 2030? Of course it does. Of course it does. This ecosystem isn't just growing in one way. It's growing in everything from NFTs to blockchain games to DeFi application, centralized exchanges, utility applications, DAOs, dApps, B2B, social apps, tools. It's expanding rapidly, quite similar to Solana, but Polygon is doing it way better. Because Polygon is not just a network of its own, it's also a scaling solution for anyone who's building on Ethereum and they want to launch on Polygon as well. It's unique. It's unique in this way, and that's good. And everyone making a big deal that the layer 2 scaling solution Polygon says that Ethereum merge will slash its carbon footprint by 99.9%. This is overall a good thing because at the moment, Polygon is a scaling solution for Ethereum. So at the moment, Polygon is being affected at the moment by Ethereum's carbon footprint. But after this merger, Polygon will no longer be affected in such a large quantity. It will be reduced by almost 100%. That's why people are making a big deal about this. When exactly can we see Polygon being at, say, $10 per coin? You got to understand, at that price, we'd be looking at a market cap of roughly from $70 to $90 billion. Keep in mind, this will really jump it ahead of Theta. Still won't be anywhere close to Ethereum or Bitcoin, but it's more than possible when you think about it. I say this can happen by 2025. It's not out of the question. It's not impossible, especially with the help of bull runs. Because whenever there's a bull run, people pump money into the market blindly. And some do it, few do it, understanding the market. Very few. But that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.